Gina with WTI. Something that I found to be so quick and easy to change the look in my home without spending too much time on it is changing my pillowcase covers. I got this set of velvet covers from Grineed. These are so soft and comfy. It's so nice to sit on the couch and have something that isn't rough and you can just smooth your hand on it and it feels so good. These are the 12 by 20 inch lumbar pillowcase covers. They come 2 to a set and I got the color teal. This is definitely more on the blue side teal than on the green side. These come with invisible zippers, which makes a really nice finished look, and the zipper is not uncomfortable if you are to lean against it. I love how bright these pillowcase covers are. They just bring this really nice pop of color everywhere I put them. I really like the way they feel too, and that's my point of view.